y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cash with Cash Chronicles if you're new here and you didn't know. Usually I kind of do hauls and try on the stuff that I buy from different places, but today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be recreating different Pinterest outfits that I've seen that I like and I think that I could nail with the things I have in my closet, but it's going to be a little bit of a remix. I'm actually going to be doing them off of Instagram, so if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned. Before we do that, I have to let you know, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with me, you know, get your daily dose of cash, your weekly dose. And don't forget to like and comment and just engage with my channel. But enough of all that. So I found a couple outfits that I felt like I could, you know, nail with the things that I have in my closet. I don't know if I want to go basic to not basic or like start off with a banger and then, you know, wean off. But I think I'm gonna, you know, build the hype.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and
basically I'm going to start off with this outfit. She has like this LA Dodgers hat. I think it's LA Dodgers, don't quote me on that. And then she has like this tank top. It looks like she has like safety pins on the side, but we're not going to do that. And she just has these light wash jeans and these like gold hoops. So I have the LA Dodgers hat. I have like a similar white tank top that I can use, as well as some plain light blue jeans and gold hoops. So let's see how we can go ahead and recreate this outfit. So I don't have the exact hoops, but I do have these like gold bamboo earrings that I can use. I have the LA Dodgers hat and I have this like tank top as well as these jeans. So let's see what it looks like on. Now that I'm thinking about it, I wish I did this outfit last because it has a hat. This is the outfit. I got the earrings in and now just for the hat. And here's a full view of the outfit. Y'all let me know, did I nail it or did I not? I think I nailed it. It's really simple, but it's really cute. And I feel like this part on the side kind of substitutes for the safety pin she has on the side, like, you know, a design on the side. I give myself a 10 out of 10 for this one. So the next outfit that I'm going to recreate is this outfit. I don't know, it's really casual, but it's really girly and dainty and really nice. So she just has like a white button up with some light wash jeans. She has a bamboo bag and she has those really cute sandals. I don't have much of this outfit, honestly. I don't have that bamboo bag and I don't have those sandals. So I have this like super old white top and I have these white shorts. So I think I'm just gonna tie this top up, put on some shorts. Let me see how she has hers tied. So I decided to put on these shoes with this black purse. I really didn't want to add black to the outfit since the top is white, but the purse and the shoes kind of give off the same vibe. So I figured why not add a black purse and black sandals. This is the full body of it. Definitely it was shocked to see that I could kind of do it with the shirt. Definitely doesn't look exactly the same, but I think it looks alright. It's not too bad. The top is kind of giving me like cowgirl vibes a little bit. Definitely not the exact top, but definitely a great imitation of it. The shorts I feel like worked, and I feel like I was a little bit nervous about adding the black accessories with the shoes, but I think it worked. Honestly, I think it did what it needed to do. Since I have these shorts on, I wanted to try out this outfit. It looks like she has like a corduroy or cream type of jean jacket, jean shorts, and she's wearing like Air Forces with some socks and like a colorful bag to kind of match her Air Forces. I actually thought this was a clear bag, but I'm just not realizing it actually has like a type of design on there. But I do have a cream jacket similar to this. I have these shorts on and I have some sneakers that I might be able to do a little something with. This is a corduroy jacket I have I got this from Forever 21 actually, and I have this clear purse because I thought it was clear. And the shoes that I'm gonna wear, my Nike Dunks, the lows, super cute. And I'm gonna pair it with some socks, but I'm gonna try to figure out what bag matches the most with these, so let's see. So this is the top. Like I said, I got this from Forever 21. I actually got these shorts from Forever 21 too. I paired it with this Coach bag. I had this for a very long time, since I was like a young girl. And I have the shoes on. So my only dilemma is the shoes are not exactly, the bag doesn't have this shoe color in it, but maybe I could get away with it. But you know, some people like, you're not wearing, this bag doesn't have the same shoes, but I mean the same color. But y'all let me know what you think. Is it doable, or nah, it's not, you don't like it? Let me know. But I think it's cute. I think it's, you know, maybe if I'm feeling really colorful this day, clear matches everything basically, so I don't think it should be a problem. I feel like it's pretty boring with the clear purse. I like the other purse because it had like a pop of color. I do have this white purse as well that matches a little bit better. So y'all let me know down below which bag goes the best with the shoes. But I think I nailed it. I nailed this look. Ow, ow, ow. Let's move on to the next outfit. This outfit is crazy. Not crazy. It'll be crazy for me. I definitely would have to step out of my comfort zone. Like I said, a lot of things that I put on today already had it basically, but this outfit, I don't really have a lot of the things that are in this outfit. I don't have that hat, I don't have that jean jacket, I don't have that black bra, I don't have those leather leggings, and I don't have those shoes. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm thinking. This is a spontaneous one. I don't have everything laid out for this. I want to pick it out on camera. So basically the only kind of trendy hat I have is that LA Dodgers hat. We're gonna have to whip that LA Dodgers hat back out. I do have a jean jacket, but I don't have a black bathing suit top or any top like that for the matter. So we're gonna substitute that out for white. Yeah, so I have this white bathing suit top that you may have seen in my Zawful try on haul if you guys love my channel. For the pants, she kind of has stacked leather black pants. So I have flare black pants and I have like a pair of tight leather pants. I don't really know which one would look the best. I think I'm gonna look crazy if I put on those flare leather pants. Okay guys, this is what we're looking like so far. I definitely feel like it would look better if I had a trucker hat. And I'm gonna show y'all the bottoms, and y'all let me know how you guys like it, and then I'm gonna try on another pair of bottoms, and y'all let me know which one you think looks best when trying to recreate the outfit. I'm going to pair it with these Converse. We just got them, so I'm so excited to wear them. They've been sold out literally every time I try to go get them. It kind of looks crazy to me, but this is also not my style, so maybe that's why it looks crazy. But the shoes, I got them on, and this is how this what it looks like. So I definitely feel like it fits with the bagginess, like the wideness of the legs of the pants. Definitely the bulkiness of the shoes. I guess I just don't look like her. I think it's maybe the hat is really what's throwing me off. Like it doesn't look like a trucker hat like how she has on. But y'all let me know how you feel about this. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the other pair of pants and let's see which one kind of looks better. So with this outfit, I just changed the pants. I feel like the pants are more in my comfort zone because it just felt like a lot was going on with the flare pants, but I feel like the flare kind of fits that picture's aesthetic better. But let me know down below what pants you think went best with this outfit. But for this outfit, I'm glad I tried it. It's something different, something cool. Gives like rock star vibes, and I didn't really think of, you know, using a bikini top as a, you know, top for your outfit. And we're on to the last outfit. The last outfit is something super casual, but it has a jean jacket, a white top, and like some gray shorts and white shoes with white socks. For the shoes, I don't really know what shoe I am going to wear, I might keep these Converse on because I don't have any like all white shoe. Actually, no, I do. This is a jean jacket I'm going to wear. I don't remember where I got this jean jacket from. These were the Nike shorts. We are at the last outfit, and unfortunately it didn't give what it needed to give, to me at least. I thought this was going to work out a lot better, but it is what it is. But this is the outfit. I paired this jean jacket with this white cami type top. She had some glasses in her hands with a bag. I'm not sure what type of bag. It looked brown, honestly. I paired it with my Nike Cortezes. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I just personally don't like how it fits on me. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Let me not put that negativity in here. So y'all see I have the jean jacket with the Nike shorts. These were Nike sweatpants, but I cut them. And I just have my plain black bag. I forgot where I got these from. And my Nike Cortezes with some, so this is the complete full body, glasses, bag, shoes, and I have the socks on. And yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Real cute, real casual, and bow. Honestly, I keep forgetting I have these shoes. I feel like I see a lot of guys wear them and not many girls, but I think they're so bomb, so cute. You know, it's one thing to have your outfit laid out, but actually putting it on and seeing how it looks on you is a whole different story. So it was really a fun experience, like see if what I recreated in my mind actually looked good and matched the pictures, and I think I did a pretty good job. But you guys let me know by commenting down below what your favorite recreation was or what you would have done differently. I know I gave you guys some options on what kind of bag I should wear with that one outfit and what pants look better for the recreation or just the style in general. So definitely talk to me, interact with me down below, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe because it will really make my day. And don't forget to like this video if you like this video and want to see more of this type of content, or just want to let me know. Good job. But I really appreciate it if you watched so far. I really appreciate I can't talk. I really appreciate it if you watched this far. It really means the world to me, as well as if you watch any of my videos or if you have supported me along my journey. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, and as always, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Toodaloo.